Hey guys, it's your girl Jen Taylor, aka Jen T. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know what a full face challenge is, I don't know like what you've been doing with your life, because YouTubers have been doing like sort of experimenting different ways to do your full face of makeup. So I've seen like full face liquid lipstick, like full face using only highlighters. I saw one the other day, full face using only prison makeup, and I was like, I don't know what's going on, I don't know what these people are doing, but you know me. You just know how creative and like authentic and like fresh I am. I'm basically like a visionary, so you know for this full face challenge, I'm gonna do something totally left of field, like totally original and out of the box, and it is the full face challenge using only household cleaners. Household cleaners.
3, 2, 1, go!
I've got most of my makeup off. I'm just gonna use a cleansing wipe to get just some of this excess off. I'm gonna go in with the first thing is these Wiltshire barbecue clean wipes. They're kind of like makeup wipes, but they're used like on your barbecue. Say you've had like friends over, had like a sausage party or something. Just need one at this stage, I think. And they look like this. So they've got these little ripples on it, which is kind of a really good effect. It's like almost like exfoliating beads. So actually really like cleansing on your skin, and it does smell. It's like the smell is potent, but it's doing its job, I think. I'm gonna rate these like an 8 out of 10. May use again. Next, I'm gonna go in with a primer, of course, and for primer, I'm gonna be using nail polish remover. I'm kidding, I would never put that on my face. I'm gonna be using Windex. It's so like funny, like I'm so like weird, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna use this to prep and prime my face, so. Really sort of moisturizing and putting a lot of extra hydration into my pores, which is really important with a primer. I'm not saying it's something that would replace, say, my Napoleon or my MAC primer, or like, you know, my Mecca illuminating primer, but it's definitely something that, you know, if you run out of primer, you could definitely consider this before a big night out. And the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my foundation. I thought, because I have very fair skin, that it would be a good idea to go in with some premium bleach. I use it a lot, like in my laundry, trying to get my whites as white as possible. Sometimes I just pop a little bit on my teeth just so I can get that extra like whitening glow. Get the bleach and just apply it gently, and then sort of just scrub all over. Oh, it's very abrasive. I don't know about this applicator, I don't know, but blend it right down to your neck. A lot of people forget their neck, so just make sure that you get it right down so you haven't got that line there, because you know that is so embarrassing. Also blending up through the hairline, very important. I'm gonna move on to a little bit of concealer. Concealer I'm gonna go in with is Brazo's Metal Polish. Pour it into my cute little ramekin here. Go underneath my eyes where I want to get rid of those bags. If you don't know how to contour and highlight, I do have another video that'll show you step by step, but this is more for an expert kind of level. There's a little tip that kind of only us beauty gurus know. Under where you're going to put your contour, just do a line of concealer just to blend out that concealer. Go in with is this shoe polish. It's by Kiwi. It's in mild tan. I'm gonna go in with this on my eyebrows just to create like a nice arch. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I'm just gonna fill in and sort of go up and then just extend that line out. A little on my brush, and that's actually a really nice arch there. That's actually quite impressive. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this product is doing wonders. Okay, and I think the brows are pretty much done. I think they're looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Definitely comment, definitely subscribe, let me know. My highlight today, I'm going to be using a product that I really, really enjoy using, like Nappy Sand Oxy Action. Pop that under both eyes and just let the face bake for a while. Next thing I'm gonna do is go in with probably the funnest part in doing our makeup, which is contouring. I contour to the gods, you know this. I'm a huge advocate for like environmental welfare and, you know, loving the earth and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna be using brown vinegar, bicarb soda, but also some WD-40, which, if people don't know, is a multi-use product that solves your problems around the home, garden or garage, or in this case, around your face. There definitely is a very strong smell to that I'm experiencing in sort of all my senses at this stage, and there is sort of a tingling sensation going on in my face, and whether that is, you know, to do with the bleach, to do with the metal polish, it's kind of sort of like when you go and get like a chemical peel, and there's something really like itchy and like, you know, but also exciting. Also did not ventilate this room very well, not something that I thought about because I'm just kind of like experimental and wild, but we're gonna get through this. Also just taking my bicarb, popping it in there. We're gonna make a little like dark paste. So guys, this is what I've ended up with. So just putting that there, making sure you go in hard with the contour, make sure you get that upper hairline as well as that nose, because everyone knows a thin nose is the way to go. Ow! And once you've blended it all out, I'm just gonna go in with some smoky eye. So this one I'm using for my eyeshadow. It is a Roundup Fast Action Weed Killer, and it's used driveways, along fences, lawns. I think it'll create a really nice sort of winged smoky eye. I'm kind of sweating a little bit, which is interesting. Didn't expect that. Oh, just adding to all the smells. Just gonna pop that just like on the lids. And just pack that on, just pack that pigment on. Blending, 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 blending. Make sure you blend that out. As you can see, I've created a really, really nice wing there, even though it is quite sheer. You can see that I've done something really beautiful with it. It's steaming, actually. I have a lot of back sweat now. It's Next thing I'm going to go in with is my eyeliner, and for this there's a lot of different things you can try out, but I'm personally going with rat sack. Throw them around and then like the rats just like disappear or die, or, you know, I mean, I don't wish that they die, but I guess I did buy this with the intention that, you know, they no longer live. This is what they look like. They're kind of just these little things that the rats eat. So I'm actually going to take, again, my trusty ramekin, and just like a mortar and pestle, is that what it's called? And just like beat it up so it kind of like crushes down into like a powder that I can then use on my eyes. Okay, great, so we've got a nice little gel going here. I'm just going to apply that just to where my line is. Actually quite beautiful. It's like a Cleopatra circa like 1422 BC, like, you know, back when she was like cool, do you know what I mean? I love this. I'm loving everything that's going on here. And the next thing I'm gonna do is my blush. This is the Ocedar Furniture Polish, so really excited about using this. It is an orange base, which isn't normally me. I'm normally a pink base, but I thought, you know what, it's a challenge. You gotta try something new, Jen. So I'm going with this orange base furniture polish. I'm just gonna put that just there, pop that on my cheeks, just on the apples, and sorry, my skin is just like, that's the blush done. So now what we need to go ahead and do is our lashes. Of course, a hot glue gun, and I'm going to use the bristles, and I'm just going to sort of glue them to the edges of my eye. Just chopped a few bristles off, and as you can see, it's created this very voluminous lash, which I'm just really loving. A Finish Power Ball. It's sort of like the ball that like does the main part of the cleaning. So that's the part we're gonna be using to create like a really royal, bold lip. Take my scissors and just cut this open. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that red there and just, I would actually buy like a Finish liquid lipstick. Like, oh my God. It's like insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. very last product, which we're going to be going in with, is our Mortein Nature Guard. This is something that I absolutely love. You know, I love using it at festivals. Like, I had it so much of it at Rainbow. I was just like spraying it around, being like out of control, and everyone was like, what are you doing, Jen? And I was like, you know, I'm just me kind of thing. So I'm just gonna Okay guys, so I did have a little bit of a bad reaction to some of the products that we were using in our challenge today, but I went to the doctor and I got several prescriptions, so yeah, hopefully the swelling and all the redness and soreness will be going down in, they said, 3 to 6 days. So again, thank you so much for joining me on this challenge. It's definitely a wild ride, but I know you guys are always there for me, and thank you for all your tweets of like love and support. Appreciate you guys so much, and definitely tune in next week because I'll be doing another crazy vlog like this, and I really look forward to seeing you there. So like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, tag your friends, all that, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.